Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to ASTRA 2022 program presented by Akka IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with 7 different questions based upon number systems and 3 reading comprehension questions. This is the third video segment of the number system series. So let's begin. A simple mathematical operation in each number of the sequence. Okay, there's a sequence here. So 14, 18, so 20, so 24, 30, 32 and 36. Okay, so there's a sequence given here, results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. Okay, so this sequence is a result of a prime number sequence. Okay, which one of the following is the next number in this sequence here? Okay, so friends, what are prime numbers actually? Prime numbers are those numbers which have exactly two factors. Okay, number 1 and the number itself. Say for example, see here, we shall consider 3. 3 is a prime number because 1 into 3 and 3 into 1. Okay, two factors are there only. See here, and 7. Okay, 7 is a prime number because 1 into 7 and 7 into 1. Only two factors are there. Yes or no? So these are called as prime numbers here. So based upon that sequence, this series has been formed here. So we shall examine the series now. So when we look into the series here, friends, see actually what happens is, one second. So this is the series given. So 14 is there, 18 is there, 20, 24, 30, 32 and 36. So what are the prime numbers between 14 actually? 13 is the prime number. So 13 plus 1 I am getting 14 here, and 17 plus 1, okay, 18. So 19 plus 1, 19 is a prime number, and 23 plus 1 is 24, and 29 plus 1 is 30, and 31 plus 1 is 32, and after 31 actually the next prime number is 37. Okay, so 37 plus 1 will be 38, and the next prime number after 37 shall be 41. 41 plus 1 will be 42. So 42, then the next prime number is 43. So 43 plus 1 will be 44. The series continues like this. Okay, so what are the options given? So 38. Okay, see here, 31 plus 1, that is 32, and after that 38 will be there. So this 36 actually it's a printing mistake, I guess. Okay, so remove this 36 here, friends. Okay, till here, till 32 will be the series here. Okay, so after 32 the next prime number series will be 38 here, because 37 is a prime number, so plus 1 here. Okay, a simple mathematical operation, friends. Just you need to analyze it. Okay, moving on to the next question. What is the remainder when 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75 is divided by 100? Okay, so 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75 is divided by 100. So this is the question here. Actually, see here, friends, what happens is, whenever a number is divided by 100, okay, whenever the number is divided by 100, the remainder will be the last two digit of this number n here. Okay, this is simple concept. Let's see, for example, 150 divided by 100. So 100 into 1 will be 100. So remainder will be 50 here. Simple, right? So on this concept we shall solve this problem here. Okay, so taking the unit digits from all this number here. Okay, 1 into 7 into 5 into 2 into 5 here. Okay, 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. So into 1. So this will lead to 35 into 10 is 350. So into 1 is 350 here. So 350 we got here. So if at all we divide 350 by 100, so last two digits will be the remainder here. So 50. Okay, what is the remainder when such and such number is divided by 100? So 50 will be the remainder here, friends. Okay, so actually this method is actually a shortcut method, friends. Actually there's another method. You need to simplify all the numbers here, then you will be solving the problem here, but it's not required. This is very much shortcut method, so try make use of this method if at all you encounter the problem based upon this concept here, friends. Okay, moving on to the next question. A digit n is greater than 3 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6 here. Okay, So there is a digit and it is greater than 3 here. Okay, greater than 3 means it might be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes on like this, right? Greater than 3. So first condition is greater than 3 and is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means 6 is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, so we can eliminate all these numbers here, but not divisible by 6 here. Okay, but not divisible by 6 means, so this option also got eliminated. So we shall take n will be equals to 9 here. Okay, so which one of the following is divisible by 4? So first option is 2n. So what we got n here? 9. Okay, so 9 2s are 18. So 18 is not divisible by 4. So option A is wrong here. So second option is 3n. So n means 9. 9 3s are 27. So 27 also is not divisible by 4. So this also doesn't hold good. So 2n plus 1 means 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 means 22. So 22 is also not divisible by 4. So 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So 28 is divisible by 4 here. Okay, it goes 7 times. Okay, 28 divided by 4 equals 4 7s are 28. So 3n plus 1 is divisible by 4 here. Okay, so option D is the right answer, friends, here. Okay, moving on to the next question. The recurring decimal representation 1.272727 is equivalent to, so you need to convert this decimal into fraction here, friends. Actually, see here in the previous video, in the theory part of the video, I have told you how to convert decimals into fraction, friends. Okay, if at all you have not watched the video, I request you go to that video and watch it and then solve the questions, friends. Actually, you need to understand the concept how it works here. Then only you will be able to solve the question here. Okay, so 1.272727, it is going on like this. It can be written as 1.27 bar, friends. Okay, 1.27 bar here. This further can be split into 1 plus, so 1 plus 0.27 bar. So this can be written as 27 by 99. Yes or no? So 1 plus 27 by 99. So upon taking the LCM 99 here, so 99 plus 27, this will be equals to 99 into 27 means 1 will be 100. So 126 by 99. Okay, 126 by 99, it will be 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9 and so 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so 11, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s. So 14 by 11, C is the answer. 14 by 11 is the answer here. So option B is the right answer, friends, here. Okay, option B is the right answer. So moving on to the next question. In an adult population of a city, 40% men and 30% women are married. What percentage of adult population is married if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man and there are no widows and widowers? Okay, so if at all you see this statement here, the second statement, then you will understand that the population of men married will be equal to population of women married here. So 40% of men married, some number I will be getting, so I will consider it as X here. This shall be equals to 30% of women here. Okay, so I'll be solving this question in the next page, friends. See, friends, actually this question can be solved in two different methods. I'll try to explain both the methods in detail, friends, here. Okay, see here, men, how many men are married here? 40% of the men are married here. Okay, this is the first method I am telling you. And women are married 30% here. Okay, this should be equal, right? The 40% of men population should be equal to 30% of the women according to the question. Yes or no? And we don't know the individual population. Say let's consider the men's population as X and women's population as Y here. Okay, see, I shall assume the population of women to be 100 here initially. Okay, any of the case you can take, friends. Okay, this is the first case. Here I am assuming the population of women shall be 100. Then the married women will be 30 here. Yes or no? 30% of the women are married here, so 30 will be here. So this 30 should also be equals to this 30. Yes or no, friends? Because the population of married men and married women will be equal here. Okay, so this 30 is nothing but men's population is there, that we don't know here. Okay, the population is X here, So 40% of that population will be 30 here. Yes or no? 40% of men's population are married means men's population we don't know. 40% of that population is 30. This 30 we got here because 30 is also because this 30 we got from women also. Okay, this population must be same here because questions tells that if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man and there are no widows and widowers. Okay, hence this number should be equal, friends. Okay, so we'll solve for the x here. See here, so x will be equals to 3000 divided by 40. So this 0 cancels. So 4 1 times 4 75 times. So x will be 75 here. Okay, so we got the population of men will be 75 here. Okay, men population will be 75 and women population we had assumed, friends, here. Okay, that is 100. So the total population will be 175 here. Yes or no? See, in this total population, actually what is the population that have been married, friends? See here, 30 and 30 here. Okay, 30 men are married and 30 women are married. So totally 60 have been married here. Okay, out of this total 175 population, 60 people have been married here. But the question asks to find what percentage of adult population is married. Okay, what percentage of adult population is married here. Okay, so total population is 175. Yes or no? So what percentage means x by 100, what percentage have been married, so that the answer will be 60 here because the total population of married will be 60 here. Yes or no, friends? So I'll be calculating here. See, so 5 3s are 15, 2 remaining, so 5 5s are 25 and 5 20s 20 times is 100 here, and 5 7s are 35 and 5 4s are 20 here. Okay, so 7x by 4 will be equals to 60 here. So 7x will be equals to 240. So x will be equals to 240 upon 7 here. Okay, so this will be the answer here. But when you look at the options, it is given in the mixed fraction, right? So 7 we got here, right? So 7 we got here means see here, it can be written into x will be equals to 7 here, 7 into 34 2. Okay, so 34 2 by 7 will be the answer here, friends. Okay, so this is option C, friends. Okay, so option C is the right answer here. And see, I have told you I'll also discuss the second method, right? So here I'll be dealing with the second method, friends. See here, see friends, actually they have given 40% of men are married here. Okay, men population we shall consider it as x and women population we shall consider as y here. Okay, so 40% of men are married means 40 into x by 100 men are married, and 30% of women are married means 30 into y divided by 100 women are married here. Yes or no, friends? This is the given data here. So solving here, see, I'll be getting 2 times and 5 times. So 2 by 5 x men are married here. Similarly here I'll be getting 3, so 10 times. So 1 by, no, 3 times. Okay, so 3 by 10 women are married here. Okay, I'm not getting the number here, but actually in terms of x and in terms of y, I'm getting how many men are married and how many women are married, and this has to be equated, right? Because no man has been married to women twice and there is no widow or widower here. Okay, so here I'll be equating, see, 2x by 5 will be equals to 3y by 10 here. Yes or no? This is the equation I am getting here. So upon solving this, see here, so 2x by 3y will be equals to 5 by 10. Yes or no? 5 1 times and 5 by 2 times. So 2x by 3y will be equals to 1 by 2. Yes or no? Similarly, see here, upon cross multiplying I'll be getting 4x, that shall be equals to 3y here. 4x shall be equals to 3y, and x by y I'll be getting it as 3 by 4 here. So this is the ratio I got here, friends. X by y is equals to 3 by 4 here. Okay, so when I get this ratio here, x by y equal to 3 by 4, then I can substitute the population, right? So x can be 300 and Y can be 400. So X means actually men's population and Y means women's population here. Okay, so totally the total population will be 700. Yes or no, friends? Actually, so in that number of married man will be equals to 40 percentage of 300. Okay, that means 120. Okay, 4 3s are 12, so that will be 120, and 30 percentage of women means 30 percentage of 400, so 3 4s are 12, that will be also 120. So the same number I am getting here, friends. See here, when I equated the both equation here, when I equated the both equation, because the population of married men and population of married women will be same here, so 120 and 120 I am getting here. Okay, this you need to cross check here if at all you are going with a proper solution or not. So this you need to cross check here. So married adults will be 120 plus 120, that will be equals to 240 here. Okay, so this is what percentage of 700? So this is nothing but the same. So question asks what percentage of the adult population is married. So adult population is 700, so 700 into what percentage? So X divided by 100 percentage, this will be equals to 240 here. So this is the adult population here. So upon solving this, you'll be arriving to 34 2 by 7 here, friends. Okay, so this is the two methods you can solve the problem here. One by substitution method, and by another by the finding the ratio and then substituting the population here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. What is the remainder when? See, this I'll be writing here. So this is the question, friends. What is the remainder when 10 to the power of 3 plus 9 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 752 is divided by 123 here, friends? So actually this question why I placed here, friends, because I need to tell you a trick here. Okay, without solving only you will be able to arrive to the answer here. Okay, see, check the option, friends, here. Okay, see, there are 4 different options. Option A 10, B 729, C 752 and D 1000 here. Okay, so by what number you are dividing here? This is the 123 is the number you are dividing here. Okay, so there is a rule here, because there is a rule you need to understand. Remainder can never be greater than the number which is dividing the factor here. Okay, so remainder, it cannot be greater than this number here, 123, which is dividing this above number here. Okay, remainder can never be greater than 123 means, so which number in the option is lesser than 123? Obviously option A. So hence option A you can tick blindly here. Okay, option A is 10, so you can tick it blindly here. So you need to understand the rule here. Okay, then only you will be able to solve the questions in a very easy manner. Okay, if at all you want to solve it in a lengthy process, kindly go and watch the remainder theorem. Okay, the video in the basic concept video where I have explained how to find the remainder. Then only you will also in the same way you will be arriving to the answer 10 here. Okay, moving on to the next question. A school has 180 students, among them 150 speak English here. Okay, 100 speak Hindi. Some students speak both English and Hindi. Okay, so how many of them speak English only? So simple question, friends. See here, English speaking population is 150. Yes or no? Among them 150 speak English here. So Hindi speaking population is 100. Yes or no? So totally we are getting, see here, 250 here, right? So but the total population what they have given is, a school has 180 students. See here, 180 students they are given, they have given, but when we add this both population which speak English and as well as Hindi, we are getting 250. So if at all we subtract 250 minus 180, 250 minus 180, I'll be getting what? 70. And this population has been added twice. That is nothing but which speaks both languages. Okay, which speaks both the languages here. Yes or no? The 70 is the population which is speaking both the population here, and we know that the question asks to find the English speaking population only here. Okay, so 150 is the English speaking population, and amongst that 70 speaks both the population. So 150 minus 70, I'll be getting 80 here. So this 80 is the population which speaks only English here, only English. Okay, so this is the conventional method of solving the problem, friends. There is an other method also, equation method, but it's actually a bit tedious method. Okay, so I request you to know the concept how the problem I have solved here. Okay, you need to understand the concept here. Okay, then only you'll be arriving to the solution in a very easy manner. So option C is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question. This is a passage here. Soil in which nearly all our food grows is a living resource that takes years to form, yet it can vanish in minutes. Each year 75 billion tons of fertile soil is lost to erosion. That is alarming, and not just for food producers. Soil can trap huge quantities of carbon dioxide in the form of organic carbon, and prevent it from escaping into the atmosphere. So this is the passage here. So what is the question? On the basis of the above passage, following assumptions have been made here. Okay, assumptions means in the previous videos I have told you what do you mean by the assumptions, the rule for the assumptions. So the first statement is large scale soil erosion is a major reason for the widespread food insecurity in the world here. Okay, large scale soil erosion is the major reason for widespread food insecurity. No, actually the passage doesn't speak about the food insecurity, but indirectly it makes a statement here. See here, each year 75 billion tons of fertile soil is lost to erosion. That is alarming, and not just for food producers. Okay, and not just for food producers. So we cannot say that because the large scale soil erosion is the major reason for the widespread food insecurity. Okay, we cannot say that this is the only reason here. Okay, soil erosion is mainly anthropogenic. Okay, we cannot assume this also, friends, here, because see here, soil in which nearly all our food grows is a living resource that takes years to form, yet it can vanish in minutes. It can vanish in minutes, the passage is saying, but due to which condition, due to which reason it can vanish in minutes, that the passage is not saying. Okay, hence we cannot assume. Okay, because of the only anthropogenic activities, soil erosion is the happening here. So option 2 can also be eliminated here. Sustainable management of soil helps in combating the climate change. Okay, hence this can be taken into consideration, friends. Okay, see, the passage tells that each year 75 billion tons of fertile soil is lost to erosion. Okay, lost to erosion, and the reason is not given. That is alarming, and not just for food producers. Soil can trap huge quantities of carbon dioxide in the form of organic compound and prevent it from escaping into the atmosphere. Hence, the sustainable management of the soils helps in combating climate change, because it can in the last part of the passage it is telling that it can trap carbon dioxide, friends. Okay, this carbon dioxide can be linked to climate change. Okay, soil can trap huge quantities of carbon dioxide in the form of organic carbon and prevent it from escaping into the atmosphere. Okay, if at all soils trap the large quantity of carbon and prevent it from escaping into the atmosphere, then the climate change which was happening due to this carbon is eliminated, friends. Hence, sustainable management of soils helps in combating climate change is the option here. Okay, so option B is the right answer here. 3 only. Okay, moving on to the next question. Inequality is visible, even statistically measurable in many instances, but the economic power that drives it is invisible and not measurable. But the economic power that drives it is invisible and not measurable. Like the force of gravity, power is the organizing principle of inequality, be it of income or wealth or gender, race, religion, and region. Its effects are seen in a pervasive manner in all spheres, but the ways which economic power pulls and tilts visible economic variables remain invisibly obscure. Okay, so what is the question here? On the basis of the above passage, the following assumptions have been made here. Okay, economic power is the only reason for the existence of inequality in the society. See, extreme statement, friends. Now and then again I am telling you, whenever you encounter the extreme statements, in most of the cases, not all the cases, take this caution. Okay, in most of the cases that option will be wrong here. Okay, so option 1 is wrong here. Inequality of different kinds, income, wealth, etc. reinforces power. In the passage, like the force of gravity, power is the organizing principle of inequality, be it of income or wealth, gender, race, religion, and region. Okay, it is telling that like the force of gravity, power is the organizing principle. Okay, organizing principle means it is different actually, and reinforces means actually different here. Okay, reinforces means it is already there, then again it is reinforcing, but in the passage it is telling that it is the organizing principle of inequality. Hence this can be taken out from stay. Okay. Option 3, economic power can be analyzed more through its effects than by direct empirical methods. So in the last part of the passage, see here friends, actually its effects are seen in a pervasive manner in all spheres. Okay, but the ways which economic power pulls and tilts visible economic variables remain invisibly obscure. Okay, when you look into this last particular statement, you will be getting the idea that economic power can be analyzed more through its effects than by direct empirical methods. Okay, so this option is a valid option here. So option B is the right answer here. Okay, 3 only is the right answer here. So moving on to the next passage. Climate change may actually benefit some plants by lengthening growing seasons and increasing carbon dioxide. Okay, so the climate change is beneficial for some plants here. Okay, yet another effects of a warmer world, such as more pests, droughts and flooding, will be less benign. How will the world adapt? Researchers project that by 2050 suitable croplands for 4 commodities like maize, potatoes, rice and wheat will shift. Okay, in some cases pushing farmers to plant new crops. Some farmlands may benefit from warming, but others won't. Climate alone does not dictate yields. Climate alone doesn't dictate yields here. Okay, this you need to take care of. Political shifts, global demand and agricultural practices will influence how farms fare in the future. So what is the question? Question is asking for which one of the following is the most logical and rational inference. Okay, the question is asking for the inference that can be made from the above passage here. So first option is, farmers who modernize their methods and diversify their fields will be in advantageous position in future here. Okay, see in the last part of the passage we can see that climate alone does not dictate yields. Political shifts, global demand and agricultural practices will influence how farms are in future. Okay, when you see this statement, we can assume that, we can infer that, not assume, we can infer that farmers who modernize their methods and diversify their fields will be in advantageous position in future here. Okay, so the other 3 options are, climate change will adversely affect the crop diversity. No, the passage is speaking that if at all the climate change happens, it is actually advantageous to some crops and disadvantageous to other crops. Okay, will adversely affect the crop diversity. No, this cannot be taken into consideration. Shifting major crops to new croplands will lead to great increase in the total area under cultivation and thus an increase in overall. No, this is wrong here, directly wrong. Climate change is the most important factor affecting the agricultural economy in the future. No, actually this is also wrong here, because only climate change is the most important, so extreme statement, and taken into consideration only one. So option A is the right answer here friends. Okay, most logical inference means option A holds good here. Okay, this is it for today guys. Hope you people find this video informative. Kindly do like and share and subscribe to our Akka IAS Academy channel. Hope you guys are doing well, your preparation is going on track. All the best for your examination. We shall catch up in the next video. God bless you all. Thank you.